Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be attempting the injection challenge that is part of owasp's security vulnerability, and I already have my juice shop up and running, and we're going to be attempting to log in into the juice shop using Bender's user's account. So it's part of the injection category. So I'm going to start my BAP suite. Thought I already had it open, but let me just open it real quick. Close, next, sub suite. So we're going to do the injection challenge, and for this challenge we're going to be using the SQL map. So BAP suite is already up and running, and I'm going to go to proxy. Let me open the browser first. Intercept, let me turn the intercept off first, and then localhost. Dismiss this, all this. So let me just ensure that intercept is off first. Yeah, it is off. So we want to log into Bender's user's account, and let's try and see if we can get the account somewhere over here. So we have admin at juice shop, but even we can use this and change it to Bender at juice shop, because this is the way that the email addresses are formed. So let me try and see if I can get Bender juice shop, and we have one over here. You can see this is they are setting up the first name first and then at juice shop. So Bender juice shop, we can have John at juice shop. So let me copy that and then go to account, login, paste this over here, and then for the password we can just say we can input any password, and then I'm going to go back to BAP suite and turn the intercept to on, and let me go back to, and then login. So go back to BAP suite and see if we got any connection. So I can go back to my HTTP history and see if I can get a post request. So like this one. So this is the request that we have, and let me just close this off over here. So I'm going to copy this, and before copying, let's just go through it. So this is the email address that we sent. This is the login was the email address that we used, and the password that we used is test. So we're going to use SQL map to perform the injection. So I'm going to copy this and go back to I'm going to create a new tab over here, and let me just log in with the root account. So I'm going to save that into a notepad, and I'm going to call it gedit at bender.txt, right? So I'm going to come and paste all that over here like that. And so what we want is that we want to tell SQL map where to inject the payloads. So this is the field that we are going to be using, the email field and the password field. And for this one we can all we need is the email field. So I'm going to put in an asterisk over here at the end. So this is going to tell SQL map that from here is where you're going to paste the paste the payload. So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to close it, and then you can clear that. so we can have a clean workspace. And then I'm going to start SQL map, and then you're going to do a -r, and you're going to use the name of the text field, the name of the notepad that we just saved, bender.txt. So this is going to tell SQL map to open this bender.txt file, right? So I'm going to press enter, and let's see how that goes. So it's asking us if you want to process that, and you're going to say yes. You want to process that. Again, you're getting another question. Do you want to process it? And you're going to say yes. And so looks like we're getting an error. It looks like you're getting a try to provide HTTP authentication type valid credentials. We're getting the 4.1 error that we get when the password is not right. So what I'm going to do is that you're going to scale up like that. But for this, what you're going to do, we are going to tell SQL map to ignore -code equals 401. So let's try this and see how that goes. Press enter. We're getting the same. Do you want to process? Yes, say yes. Again, say yes. So it's sending the payloads, and as you can see, it is comment family union. Yes, I'm going to say yes. So looks like it finished sending the payloads, and let's go back to owasp and see if we got any response. And as you can see, we successfully completed a challenge, and actually there were two, but we successfully completed the challenge of logging to Bender's user's account. So that's pretty much it. And if we go back to this, right, let me try and send it to repeater, and the repeater tab comes up. And so what the SQL map essentially did is that it placed a single apostrophe over there, and it told the to basically ignore everything that follows that comes after that, right? So that's where the injection was. That's where the injection was placed. Sorry, that's where the injection was placed. That's where the payload was placed, right over here, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah.